The challenge becomes when you start to grow, and as you get bigger and bigger and add more equipment. I think we have more than 100 air movers now, and far more DHUs than we had before. The challenge is making sure that you have all that equipment going from job to job to job, because you're doing far more jobs now than you were before. And right before I found Nero, I was in a department store that had flooded, an old department store in an old mall, a lot of back rooms and areas, stock rooms and things like that, as well as the sales floor. And I found myself playing hide and seek with my equipment, trying to figure out where it was at. I went back to the store thinking that I had left some, and sure enough, back in a corner, back behind some inventory was a couple of air movers that were turned off, but were left. So I knew there that I needed to do something in order to be able to track this equipment and know where it's at. So once we've added that, we've been able to. I run a report every night a report gets run for me and sent to me every night that tells me what's not in my shop and where exactly it's at. So it's been a huge benefit in tracking my equipment.